Let's learn how to get verified on TikTok. If you want your TikTok account to be verified but don't know how to do it, you don't need to worry anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is open the TikTok app. When you open TikTok, you'll be on the home page, but you don't need to be on that page. You need to be on your profile page, which you can open by clicking on the profile option located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, click on the 3 horizontal lines located in the top right corner of the screen. When you click on those 3 lines, a menu with 4 options will open, and you need to click on Settings and Privacy. When you click on that, a page with many options will open, but you need to click on the Account option at the top of the page. When you click on that option, a page with several options will open. You need to click on the option Switch to Business Account. When you click on it, a page will open where you need to click Next until this page appears. When this page appears, you need to choose a category you want. After choosing, click on the Next button at the bottom. When you click that, a page will open where you need to enter your email, and after entering it, click on the Add button. You've now switched to a business account. Now you need to click on the X in the top left corner of the screen. When you click on it, you'll return to the Settings and Privacy page. When you return to that page, you need to scroll all the way down. When you scroll down, you'll see several options, but you need to click on the Report a Problem option. When you click on that, a page with more options will open, and on that page you need to click on Account and Profile. When you click on that, more options will appear, and you need to click on the Profile Page option. When you click on that, more options will appear, but you need to click on the Other option at the bottom. When you click on that, a page will open where you need to click on the No option. After clicking that, the next thing you need to click is Need More Help. When you click that, a page will open where you need to write Submit a Problem. When you write that, they will respond with a message, and you need to write, I need verification on my account. When you write that, they will respond with another message, and at the bottom of that message there will be blue letters you need to click on. When you click on that, a page will open where you need to fill in the fields and click on the Submit option. They will send you an email and a notification on TikTok within a certain period. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.